do initially, we need to start with installing dev C++. And how do we install? Just by downloading this. Okay, sorry. So many times the internet is coming and going. Okay, so let me show you. Just type on browser dev C++. Okay, because I had installed this. So dev C++, and then go to this particular website, sourceforce.net. Here it will show the download, and download will start automatically. So from here you can download this, and then just whenever you are downloading any file in Windows 10, you need to run as administrator. Okay, so just after downloading this file, uh, after downloading this file, you just need to click like, let me show you. Suppose the program is there. Virtual machine is there. Okay, so just suppose this is a program you want to install. So just right click on this and run as administrator. Select. Okay, select run as administrator. So it will automatically start installing, and after installation, we just go to dev C++. So it was previously not visible. Now it is visible to all of you, and just go to this file and new. Okay, don't go for project because it is add-on in this. So just go on source file and just type include. Okay, include, and before this it is much better to write your name. Okay, or the comment also. So how do we write comment? By putting this slash and star and entering this, and again putting star and slash. So I think this font size is very less for you. So let me show you properties, and okay, no properties there. Window again. Is this visible to all of you clearly, or you need
Yes,
to
sir.
increase the
Sir, it's
font
visible.
size? Okay, it is visible. So it is visible through mobile also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today only, because it will waste a lot of time to set this thing. So just go on this and just type whatever. So this is your first program. Okay, first C program. So how do you write first C program? Just I am showing, and you need to write this program by your own, and this is known as command line, a command. Okay, this is a command. This is a command, not run by compiler, or not compiled by compiler. Okay, not compiled by compiler. Now this is your main program, so you need to write main. This is default practice that you need to start with integer main. Okay, after that just put one left curly brace. It will automatically create one right curly brace. To means no need to remember all these things. Now just write printf. Okay, so from which place this printf is coming? From which place this printf is coming? Let me show you dev C++ compiler first. So in this C drive, my program files are there. Inside that program file, I think dev is the product of what? Help. Oh, so dev. D is not shown here. Outside the window. No, in this program file, yes. So this is our dev C++. Okay, and these are the files associated with this. A style is one file which includes all the directories, and whenever we are talking about include stdio.h, okay, so what do you mean by stdio.h? So there is a file in this maybe in this library, yes, stdio.h. Let me check whether it is available or not. So let me search here, stdio.h. Okay, so yes, this is a file. So this is the file. This file is written here, and you need to use all these files. Here, every definition is written. Like printf is taken from which place, and nowadays its definition is of size 1 and 100 line. Okay, because one so many other files are included like ssp.h and include underscore next stdio.h. Okay, so these are the file written in very special language, and whatever coming under green symbol, it is due to assembly code, and whatever coming in black, it is your original C programming language. Okay, so this is your file which you need to include. Where you need to include? In very first line. So I had not put the first line. So let me put the first line. So this is the include, and this file says that which language and which protocol we are using. Okay, so this is stdio.h. This is simple structure of C programming language. Then printf's definition is given inside the file, and after that slash and hello world. Fine. So this is the compiler. Here in this compiler, you will feel much more comfortable. And whenever integer main is written, by default return 0, you should mention. Okay. And then go for saving this file. This file will be saved at uh, where you want, like in Amity folder is there. In an Amity, there is C folder. Inside that, one more folder, program. Okay. And then program is already there. Okay, so yeah, this is a program, and let me write one program, and that name is hello.c. So this is your program. Now let us compile. So first thing is compilation. So whenever you are compiling this file, it will say some error is there. Undefined reference printf. Okay, see, I had typed this wrong spelling, so it will display one error. Let us see once again what is the error. So whenever I am going to compile, it will automatically say that this is my error, and whenever I am clicking on this, so it shows this. Okay, like here some errors are there. So now let me write correct syntax. So this is your printf, printf, and then again go for execute and then compile. Now there is no error. Error is 0, warning is 0, compile time is 1.52 second. Okay, now let us run. So by run, source file is not compiled, already compiled. I don't know why it is written. Okay, so after that one screen will appear, source file not compiled. Okay, let me close this first because it is open, so there may be problem. Execute, compile and run. Oh my God. Hello.c minus o. Hello.exe. Okay. So this is failed to execute. It will coming like that. Error, the system cannot find file specified because it is not able to develop the file by using exe. So let me check once again. Okay. So there are several problems you can face. So you just need to take the screenshot, okay, and paste it in your group. Which group? It's the last group, which is exclusive for this purpose. And recent file is your hello.c. And let me execute once again, compile and run once again. So there is problem. Okay. So that is the reason why I'm using Ubuntu system. And in this Ubuntu system, it is very easy for me to write the program and run the program. Okay. So this is your terminal. In this terminal, already we have written the program. Nilutpal Saha. Yes. Yeah. So let me increase the size and let me open the program already written. So this is our program, the same program which we have typed there, integer main, printf, hello world, and return 0. Okay. But I don't know what is the reason why it is not running. So to run this program, what is the code? And you have seen there in DEV C++ also that it is typing cc and followed by hello.c, but it is doing automatically hello.c minus o and then hello. Okay, then the program get compiled and you need to run by typing slash dot slash hello. Fine. So it will print the hello one. So this is your first program. In this program structure, you can see first thing you need to include the file, whatever file you want, and then write the program with integer main. Integer main is the main function which runs first, which is checked by the compiler first, and then only if integer main is found, then only it will develop or it will build the executable file. If integer main is not there, suppose integer main is written as man. Okay. And now I am going to compile this program. It will say nothing, no problem is there. But whenever I'm going to run this program, it will not run. Okay. Okay. The previous version is there. So let me delete hello. Okay. Remove hello. Mhm. Okay, not an issue. What is the problem? Let me delete by my own. H. So this is executable file and I had deleted now. Okay. So this executed file is deleted by me now, and let me try to compile this program once again. and you can see that this program is not able to run. So step for compilation is cc followed by program name. Program name is hello.c and followed by, and you must save this first, followed by o and then hello. Okay, so there is a problem, undefined reference to main. Okay, it simply means that आपको यदि C program run करना है, if you want to run C program, you must include the main. Okay, so main is a must, and after typing this main, it will automatically build the program. Okay, now save, we need to do save, and then okay, there is no problem in compiling. Yes, any doubt?
Sir.
Sure, no doubts are there for newcomers also. Okay, so this is the way you need to write the program, and then processor speed comes first. So you have seen that it compiles the program in a fraction of second. Okay, system programming. Yesterday, one student has asked that what is the benefit of using C programming. So C is a system programming language used to use. Everything uses it. Unix, Windows 3.1, Windows 95 NT. Very often it is first language to be supported. Okay, so let me show you one more example. See, this example is not for your means. It is just for showing the power of C language. It is not for means to disturb you or to yes, if it is able to run, because sometimes what happen, a special kind of program will be shown by the teacher, then a student certainly system.h. I think this is not visible to all of you. Now it is visible. Okay, so I had included one more file, that is system.h, and just I'm typing something and it will run the program. Okay, so let me type something system, and then just like ls minus l. So this is the beauty of C language actually. Fatal error, compilation terminated. No such file sys. Okay. Okay. So now you can see that this is a simply written program for system. Okay, I just included system ls minus l. It will print. See, this program is not to distract you. This program is for attracting you towards how C is a powerful language. So let me run this program slash hello, and it will list all the directories. Okay, it will list all the directories in this particular program. Okay, let me show you one more thing, so you definitely understand the beauty of this. Give me a second of. Okay. So till that you can ask the question. Okay, this is very simple program, very simple program, and you can create a program by just typing system. Okay, by just including standard library.h. Okay, so you have included a standard library.h file, and after that just type system. Okay, only need to type system, and whatever written in double quote, it will automatically run here. Okay, so let me do one more thing. I am writing one command, and this command is banner and then followed by couple. Okay, and now let us compile this program. So this program is compiled now, and now let us run this program. So you will see that writing this much code, okay, very small code is there, and now what will be the output? Let us see. Here you can see that Kapil is written in front of you by writing a one line of code. Okay, so it is not shown in any of the book, any of the C programming book. But whenever one line comes that it is developed for system programming, so I had run system command here. Okay, you cannot directly run the system command in this C program, but when you enter, suppose you want to see the date of what is the date. Okay, so just write date and save this, and it will automatically run one command date. So it shows the date, but you cannot run this date command by simply typing what printf or scanf. So you need to use such privileges of system programming. So you can use system programs as well as here using C program. See what I am doing. If I am clearing all the screen and if I am typing /hello, so the person will ask that what is the output? Why /hello will give you Thursday 8 October 2020, and this is the current time. Okay, so this is beauty of C program. Very small code, and you can run very big thing. I will later on. I will show one more beautiful feature. By writing one more line, by adding one more line, it will give you very big output, very big output. Okay, so it will come after for loop. So you just need to write down that I had told you that I will show you a program related with environment setting using C. Okay, after looping. So this is about system programming. Windows 95, Windows and Unix, all the operating systems were written in this C programming language. And portability, one thing you are probably aware of is assembler is not portable, correct? assembler is not portable, I had already told that assembly of Intel is different from assembly means whatever you are fixing inside that processor. Okay, so the assembly of Motorola processor, assembly of Cyrix processor, assembly of AMD processor, these are entirely different, but in a single family they maintain the compatibility. So one thing you are probably aware of, assembler is not portable, although a Pascal program will run more or less the same anywhere, an assembler program will not. Okay, so this compiled program is not able to run in this Windows machine also. This is one more thing. If C is nothing more than an assembler, that must be implied portability is just about 0. Okay, this depends entirely on how C program is written. It can be written to work specifically on one processor and one machine. Alternatively, providing a few rules are observed, a C program can be as possible as anything written in any other language. ओके सो जब आप सी प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं, सी प्रोग्राम लिखते टाइम आप लोगों को बहुत ऐसा सोचना नहीं है, although it is low level language and it follows the assembly of particular machine, but it is runnable, and because most of the thing whatever you are purchasing, it is available to all other persons and everybody is using Intel processor, so there is no issue related with that much portability kind of thing. Write only reputation, so C has fearsome reputation as write only language. In other word, it is possible to write code that is impossible to read. Okay, so unfortunately some people take this as a challenge, so you need to go for this whatever code is there. Let me show you one code also, executable code. Okay, so this is our executable program is available at /hello. So only 3 or 4 lines we have written, fine, but what is the code? Let me show you. gedit. This is notepad of Unix operating system and hello. Okay, hello is the executable file. Now you can see that gedit, okay, it is not opening. Gedit hello. I don't know why it has not opened up. Yes. Wait. Text editor is not responding. Okay. So let us see in some other editor. vi hello. This is the program which I had written to display the date. Okay. So is it a very good program? Yes. Is it understandable to anyone?
Yes, sir.
Understandable. Are you able to get what is
No,
the
sir.
output?
No,
na?
sir, no, sir. Hello word
No,
is
sir.
understandable.
No,
I
sir.
mean, yes, sir.
Yes, only this
Mhm.
program is understandable, which is written in my G editor or hello world, but this particular output. So this is the code. Actually, whatever we are writing in high level language, okay, whatever we are writing in high level language, like G edit hello dot C. It is written in high level language, okay, and this language is understandable to us only. But whenever we are going to see the output of this particular program, like just we need to type vi and followed by hello. Hello is the executable file. So here it shows like this. So this is not understandable by us, but it is very easily understandable by the system. That's why this is why we are using compiler. So this is the reason why we are using compiler. Now C is a functional language. So each and everything is written in form of function. What is the notation of function? Like function x comma y. Okay, x comma y is given to you and it will return certain value. So these values are written inside this curly braces, okay, because it is a set of values. So like I had written fx, not only one variable function. Let me choose. So x is written, and this will show 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, followed by 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power कैसे लिखेंगे? This n minus 1. Okay. So let me explain this function first, and why c is written like this. I will tell you, and then followed by for all x is greater than or equals to 0. Is this condition true? This function is written correctly or not? Anyone? Any guesses? This is not C function, okay? I had shown the line number 9 function is only a function used in mathematics. So mathematically, this function is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Correct?
sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Anyone is having any doubt why this function is coming like this? Okay. I don't know how many of you have understand this function, but this function says that for all value of x, this is a function of 2 to the power n minus 1. So what is the meaning of this? It will expand binarily. Okay, exponential binary. Okay, so the exponent is binary in the form of binary. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, and 2 to the power 2 is 4. So whenever the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it will give you output like this. And the last number, whatever last number is there, its output is in this form. Now, just think it over that if I want to write a compiler, then is this language is sufficient? No, it is not sufficient. So I need to give you a type. Okay. After that, this type is given. No need to provide equals to. And then this is the definition. Okay. So this is the definition given here. Fine. So this is our function name. In this body, this is our function name. Okay, function name and arguments. Arguments like x is an argument already done by you in mathematics. Okay. After that, all these things written inside these curly braces are definition. Okay. Definition and description. Fine. So likewise, here you can see in main function also, let me make it comment so that it will not bother the compiler. Okay. So here we need to show from which mathematics I am going to write this function. So I am going to write this function from stdio.h. But one more mathematics is required, that is a standard library. Okay. So both the mathematics book I had included here. Then the writing of function, way of writing function is very simple. You need to write every time if you are going to write a program, it must include integer main or void main. Okay, it depends on you whether you are preferring. It is my suggestion to use integer main and return 0. Okay, and then followed by this whatever command you are writing, whatever definition you are writing. Suppose you can also printf. So who is the new student in this class? Just tell me name.
Sir, Om Prakash.
Om Prakash is the new student. So let me write a program. It will display date like Om Prakash. Today's date is followed by date. Okay. So Om Prakash Dear Om Prakash. Okay. Because this is system and very, very humble. Dear Om Prakash, today's date is okay. And just because I had not written slash n, so it does not impact on anything. And let me show you the output. And let me erase this. Okay. So that no confusion will be there. And this is there. And now one more terminal. Okay. So I need to close the terminal. Yeah. So let us write. Oh, hello, where is hello? EFGH. Hello. Okay. So CC followed by hello dot C followed by minus O, which will produce output file, then hello, and this generates the output file. Let us write hello. So what will be the output? So it says that dear Om Prakash, today's, oh my God, date command will be printed first and then dear Om Prakash, today's date is. Okay, so I need to modify this program for systems purpose. For this purpose, we need to write string related operation. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss this. Only this, whatever you have written, it will produce like this. So I will show you. This is also one more thing. You need to give me a reminder that sir, you have written one program and it is producing output in wrong sequence. Okay, just write this. So whenever that turn will come, and this turn will come during fourth unit when string will be coming. Okay, so as soon as string will come, I will explain the program. So this is a structure of program. Write only reputation. So write only reputation. Inside that you have seen the executable code. So many at the rates are there. So you can modify all these things also. And it was developed by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie of AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1970. In 1983, American National Standard Institute began the standardization process. So what is ANSI? ANSI is ANSI standard. Okay. So whenever you are purchasing a book from Balaguru Swami, okay, C programming Balaguru Swami. So let me show you. Uh, it always says that ANSI. Okay, it is written ANSI. You can see clearly that ANSI and by Balaguru Swami. So it is up to you which book you are going to follow. Today one question is asked that whether I can purchase Yashwant Kanetkar or not. You can purchase any book, okay, because this book is already available in your Google Playbook account. Okay, so you can read books from there also. So purchase at least one book you need to purchase so that you will be able to write the program. And our main motto is to use the logic. Okay, so I will show you 7 steps how to write programs through 7 steps. So these 7 steps are important. And on considering one example, we will see the how these 7 steps of programming will helpful in developing any program flawlessly. Then in 1989, International Standard Organization ISO already told you that ISO has recommended in 1989. In 1990s, standard was finalized and known simply as Standard C. Okay, everything before this was known as K and R C. K and R is Kernighan and Ritchie. Okay, so history of C standardization I already told you. And ANSI standard, actually Balaguru Swami follows ANSI standard, and after that ISO standard will be there. Why these standards are required? So the simple answer is that I had run the same program in DEV C++ compiler. You can run this in your DOS based compiler. One other person can run it in code based compiler. Okay, so there are a number of compilers available. in Apple, if any person is having Apple laptop, he or she can also run the program by writing this simply using terminal. They can write their program and they can run their program. The writing style is the same, but the produced code is not portable. Okay, it depends on particular operating system to operating system. It is vary. Like in Windows, it will produce .exe file. Okay, in Unix, it is not producing exe file. And let me check one more thing. Let us make sure, and let me delete this line first. So this is a program for date. Okay, let me create one executable file and copy this executable file into window. Then let us see what will happen. So save and then compile. You need to check whether hello.exe. Okay, I had written a program by name exe. Let me check hello.exe is available or not. So hello.exe, this is hello.exe. So I had copy or cut this program and paste it into Windows. Okay, let me paste it into Windows. So this is now I'm double clicking on this. This app cannot run on your PC. To find a version for your PC, check with the software publisher. Okay. So you have seen that in Ubuntu, the program is there and you can run this program obviously. Okay. By typing /hello.exe /. Now this program is easily runnable over here, but it is not runnable over this Windows operating system. Fine. So this is Windows operating system. Even from command prompt also, I am in command prompt, and this is our mm, desktop. Okay. So uh, yes. Here you can see that this dir hello.exe. So hello.exe file is there. Agree or not? Is there one file? Okay. So let me execute from here also. So let us write hello.exe. This program or feature, whatever written, cannot start to run due to incompatibility with 64-bit version of Windows. Please contact the software vendor to ask if 64-bit Windows compatible version is available. Okay. So this is a program which I had written in Ubuntu, but it is not. I had compiled in Ubuntu. Okay. So this is the portability issue. This is the portability issue. You have compiled one program in one operating system and it is not able to run in other operating system. Fine. Now, but one thing you can see that same program can be runnable over different platforms. Although compilation process is different, but you can run the same program in C also, same program in Windows also, and same program in Apple also. So you have the program and you just try it in your Windows PC and just try in your um, Apple PC. So same code, uh, using same code, you'll be able to run the program at different platforms. Okay. Now, so this is the portability and standardization. So standardization is what? Writing code, same code in different platform. But portability is what? Compilation of code is not able to run in different platforms. Okay. So you will understand later on also when you are writing the your own code. So standard C versus Kernighan and RCC. Parameter type checking added, proper floating point support added, standard library covered to many gray areas address, new features added. Standard C is now the choice. All modern C compilers are standard C. The okay. If you are having any book, okay, because Dennis Ritchie and Kerningen's book is available freely to you, so you can see the way of writing program in that book. And in Amazon there are several books available. Just see the writing way of program writing in this. You can find a huge difference. Okay, so I think it is sufficient for today. So and from tomorrow onwards, okay, tomorrow we will take one class at 8 o'clock. Okay, and day after tomorrow also, day after tomorrow you are having holiday, so we can take any time. It depends on tomorrow's expectation and classes. I will take the classes on particular time. Okay, so just enroll there, and we will discuss. We will complete all the fundamentals of C within 1 or 2 days. Then number system will be there, and after number system, I will cover. I will. Start the programming. Okay, so you have any doubt, you can ask within 1 minute. Now there is one more question. Is today's class understandable to you or
Yes,
not?
sir. It is understandable.
Yes.
Okay, Om Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you are the newest person, so I will ask the new persons also. So whenever you feel, and if you are doing coding, so you can ask that this portion has not completed, when this portion will be completed. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. You can join other classes also. So let me finish recording, and let me close this class. Okay, thank you.
Sir, attendance.
अटेंडेंस मैंने ले लिए.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.